Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about SSC CGL 2022 Tier 1 Syllabus Quantitative Aptitude. In this section, the questions will be designed to test the ability of appropriate use of numbers and number sense of the candidate. So one should be very well aware of basics of mathematics. The syllabus includes computation of whole numbers, that is calculation of whole numbers, decimals, fractions like 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 equal to how much, in that sense 1 by 4 multiplied by something 3 by 2 multiplied by 4 by 10 equal to how much. So we must be very well with multiplications, divisions, additions, subtractions. So all these are basic requirements of a SSC appearing candidate. So what are the relationship between numbers, percentage? So some percentage, this percentage of water and milk ratios. So this percent, say income the average income of a person is say 10,000, and that expenditure is say 5,000, and other savings is equal to how much. Like this, savings is what percentage of the income. These type of questions may be asked in prelims, so you should be thorough with that. Ratio and proportion. So in this also different ratios will be given, like boys and girls in a school, in a class is in the ratio of 3 is to 5. So the total number of students in a class is how much. Like that, these type of questions will be asked. And square roots. So everything, square roots one should be aware of. Roots, square roots, 2 square, 3 square, up to 20 square, it is how much. It goes on like that. So one should be aware of, we should by heart the square roots, averages, interest, profit and loss, discount, partnership, business. These are all interrelated. Interest, profit and loss, discount, partnership, business. So in this type of questions, in interest also, like simple interest, compound interest, profit and loss also, someone has purchased wholesaler has purchased a product for some cost, he sold it at some x profit. So what will he by the time it come to the retailer, so how much profit he should gain to get a some number will be, some rupees will be given. So in that way you have to be, there are shortcut methods also to solve these type of problems, we will see in the subsequent videos. So partnership business, so A and B start a business with capital, different capitals. So after the end of 1 year, the profit is something. So how much should each get? So this is in connection with conjunction with partnership business. And next comes mixture and allegation. So mixture and allegation in the sense, like water and milk. So there is a there is a mixture of water and liquid in a vessel. So 5 liters say. In that ratio of water and milk is given, and after that 1 liter has been taken out from that liquid and pour 1 liter of water. So what will be the final mixture? So for solving these type of problems also, we have fixed formula. After that, time and distance, time and work. So time and distance, time and work. So a person takes some time to travel a distance. So what will be the velocity is distance by time. So different people going velocity equal to distance upon time. So this is the basic formula, and the questions will be related to this. So again, time and work. In this, uh, time, let's say A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B can do the same piece of work in 8 days, C can do the same piece of work in 12 days. So if A, B, and C can combine together, then in how many days the work can be completed. These type of questions will be asked in time and work. After that comes basic algebraic identities of school algebra. So this is basically related to algebra type of questions and elementary surds. These are surds, graphs of linear equations. So x plus y equal to 1, x plus 2y equal to 3. Then what will be the value of x? Then what will be the value of y? These type of questions may be asked in linear equations. And triangle and its various kinds of centers. So there are different types of triangles like equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle. So in that, what will be the various kinds of centers? So for each type of this triangle, the centers will be different. After that, congruence and similarity of triangles, circle and its chords, tangents, angles subtended by chords of the circle, common tangents of to two or more circles. So if two or more circles are meeting at a point, then what will be the tangent? So these type of questions will be asked in the subsequent videos. I'll try to have a detailed type of videos related to these subjects. And comes triangle, quadrilaterals, regular polygon, circle. So in this, everyone should be aware of what these are basic shapes. So in this type of syllabus, it means that what will be the area of the triangle, what is the surface area of the triangle, these type of questions. Similarly, in quadrilaterals also, there are different types of quadrilaterals like parallelogram, trapezoid, rhombus. So different quadrilaterals have different formula of area as well as surface area. Okay, area perimeter it will be called, as it is a two dimension, so it will have perimeter and area, square, rectangle. So we know in rectangle the perimeter is 2 into L plus B, where L is length and B is breadth, and area is L into B, length into breadth. Similarly, in a square, if all the sides are equal, so if you say A is the side of that square, then perimeter is summation of four sides, that is 4a, and area is a square. So regular polygons, what are regular polygons? Circle, so right prism. So we should be thorough with the basic formula for calculating area as well as perimeter. And after that comes right circular cone. In this cone, right circular cylinder, sphere, hemisphere. In this, we should be thorough with formulas for area, surface area. Okay, and after that comes rectangular parallelepiped, rectangle right regular right pyramid with triangular or square base. So in this also, the base is it is a pyramid, but the base is triangle and the base is square. So two types of pyramids are there. So in this also, we should have basic idea of the formulas. Then comes trigonometric ratios, degree and radian measures. Trigonometric ratios, so in a sin theta, cos theta. So they basically sin 30, sin 45, sin 90, sin 60. So these has to be by hearted. So it may be asked at some point of time. It may be useful to us, as well as some basic trigonometric equations like sin square plus cos sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Those type of basic equations, trigonometric equations has to be by hearted, which will help at some point of time. After that comes standard identities, complementary angles. So you will come across this in our subsequent videos. Heights and distances. In heights and distances also, this comes sine theta. So sine theta is the perpendicular distance divided by the base distance. Sorry, tan theta equal to perpendicular distance divided by upon base distance. So the slanted length we may be asked to find, and some portion in a right angle triangle, using the right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem, that is uh, L square, that is the side and base is equal to the diagonal, a square plus b square equal to that 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. So there are those type of formulas we have to by heart. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the height and distance. Then comes histogram, bar diagram, and pie chart. These are different statistical tools which it is a pictorial representation of data. By using this histogram, bar diagram, and pie chart, we may be asked to find out some like census data is given, or boys and different children playing games, different games they are playing, or different children, number of children got different marks in mathematics, physics, chemistry. So in these type of questions may be asked, how many what percentage of people got more marks in maths, how much variation is there between physics and chemistry people. These type of questions may be asked. In the subsequent videos we will go in depth and have a thorough understanding of this. Wish you all the best. Good luck.